BizNet software. We make Excel better. And now we're making your connection to critical data from Sage 100 or Sage 500 faster, easier, more reliable, and instantly up to date. A vast majority of BizNet Excel Analytics Suite users say they export data from Sage to Excel either every day or several times a week. That stops now. With the BizInsight Connectors for Sage, you'll have immediate access to the complete, up-to-the-minute details from accounts receivable, accounts payable, inventory management, purchase orders, sales orders, and with the Sage 500 connector, you get all of the above plus project accounting. So when you need to update reports or pull entirely new lists from different modules, the BizInsight connectors for Sage let you do the work right within the application you use every day, Microsoft Excel. Just drag, drop, and fill in a couple of options, and let the BizInsight connectors for Sage do the rest. Connecting to data is only the beginning. With the BizInsight Desktop Edition, data analysis has never been easier, faster, or more reliable, thanks to BizNet's intuitive query builder. Use it to create custom, reusable super functions with drill downs, or detailed filtered lists and pivot tables. BizInsight Desktop Edition is available at no charge for every BizInsight Professional Edition license with current support, and can also be purchased on an annual subscription basis. Plus, the BizInsight connectors for Sage include pre-built drag-and-drop templates for either Sage 100 or Sage 500, meaning that you can be up and running within minutes. Better business intelligence, big data analytics, faster reporting. Have it all now in Excel with the BizInsight connectors for Sage and the BizInsight Professional and Desktop Editions. From BizNet Software, we make Excel better.